Jackal is our local cockatoo. Scientific name is Cockatoo amolosensis. These birds can be found in eastern Indonesia and are the largest among the red cockatoos. There you go, the show was officially started. A round of applause for Jackal and trainer Jimmy. Hello, everyone. Dazzle is our super crested cockatoo. Scientific name is Cockatoo galerita. Common inhabitants are open woodlands and forest areas along the east coast of Australia. They are colored and can mimic almost any sound. They typically feed on seeds, nuts, fruits as durian, papaya, and rambutan. And they also love corn. Now guys, do you think Dazzle has the ability to find the hidden object? Well, if it yes, then say, you can do it, Dazzle! Come on, Dazzle, find the hidden object for us. And she found it! Now the rules for Dazzle with trainer birds.
Very good song.
Now our next featured birds are just like any married couple. Monogamous, meaning to remain our partner for life. Very romantic, right? But as any couple
Basketball sila.
they're always It's Sassy and Rocky. Are you the prefer of bringing them up? Today, they all battle it out to see who's the best in the basketball game. But before I start this battle, I will divide you into two groups. So all the girls will cheer for Sassy. Come on girls, let me hear your cheer. Sassy! 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 And how about the boys? All the boys will cheer for Rocky. Come on boys, let me hear your cheer. Rocky! 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 Alright, so birds ready? Trainers ready? Set, go! Here comes Rocky for the first ball. Follow by Sassy. And second ball for Rocky. And it's a tie for the last ball. Rocky wins. Trainer Gina, what can you say about that? You guys lose this time.
Hold it. We want another race.
Oh, she wants another race, Trainer JB.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
Well, this time I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So what race do you have in mind?
I'm thinking about the ring race.
And what is ring race?
The first bird who can drop 3 rings into the bowl that passes is the winner, and that is the ring race.
So the ring race, it shall be. Remember guys, boys have already 1 point and girls, come on. Let's hear Sassy doing this time. And we will doing this again, and this time, our ring race. Ready, set, go! Here comes Rocky. Alright, let's go. At the same time.
Hey, you guys cheated.
Oh, he didn't cheat.
No, we didn't cheat. Sassy used her brain.
So it's true that girls are more intelligent than boys? A round of applause for Sassy and Rocky with Trainer Vina and Trainer Jamie. Parrots in particular are known to be intelligent and perceptive. That's why we continue to enhance their skills and not get bored. So really Sassy once again, Sassy's going to show us how intelligent she is by putting the shape back to the correct slot. Just like Sassy, green mouse from South America entered the gentle giant of the parrot family. It is because they're the second largest next to the highest in cost. They can grow up to 92 centimeter length and can live up to 8 years old. Scientific name is Arachnodoptera. seeds, nuts, salt, minerals along the river banks.
Ano yan?
And for the shade, come on, Sasigir. And there you go, and then right around the applause for Sassy with trainer Vina. Now guys, who loves math? Everyone here knows addition, right? Because this next part of the program will leave people baffled and amazed, even as trainers. Do you think birds can do math? But before become our mathematical wizard, I'll be needing some numbers between 1 to 50. So any numbers between 1 to 50? Okay, so the first number is number 7. So about the second number? What number? Okay, so the second number is number 8. So the equation is 7 plus 8. Let's see if our mathematical wizard can solve this equation. But first, trainer JB will shuffle the numbers.
When you bet, and you end up in debt. Oh, try as you may, you just can't.
Now, let's call our hybrid mako, Rocky. Wow, Rocky, what a beautiful entrance. Trainer JB is Rock ready? Ready? Come on, Rocky, solve the equation for us. And Rocky gets the first number correct. So about the second number? Well, Rocky loves numbers.
Keep the time to the beat of a song while you're singing along.
And he gets a number 5. So 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. Round of applause for Rocky with trainer Jamie. So this time, I need an adult volunteer with 500 pesos. Anyone here who wants to be a lucky volunteer for today?